Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a van door handle. First, you need to figure out if the problem is with the handle itself or the internal mechanism. A quick visual inspection can often reveal loose screws or obvious breaks. Make sure you have the right tools ready, such as a set of screwdrivers and a trim removal kit, to avoid damaging your van's interior. This initial assessment saves time later. Now, let's get to the heart of the problem. You'll need to carefully remove the interior door panel. This usually involves prying off trim pieces and unscrewing fasteners hidden beneath caps. Once the panel is loose, gently disconnect any electrical wires or rods that connect to the handle mechanism. Finally, unbolt the broken handle from its position, typically using a 10 mm or 12 mm socket wrench. With the old handle out, it's time to install the replacement. Position the new handle and secure it with the bolts you removed earlier, ensuring it's snug but not over-tightened. Reconnect all the rods and electrical connectors, making sure they click firmly into place. Before putting everything back together, give the new handle a few test pulls to confirm it operates smoothly and the door latches correctly. For the final steps, carefully reattach the interior door panel, ensuring all clips align and screws are tightened. Double-check that the door opens, closes, and locks properly from both inside and outside. You've successfully replaced your van's door handle. Before you go, remember to check the description below for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals to keep your ride fresh. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.